So I just got done sharpening my Benchmade mini Griptilian, and I'm just doing the burr removal, and we're going to look at it under the microscope. We're going to look at what a properly sharpened edge bevel looks like after it's had a fresh edge put on it. Very sharp. So here's the edge bevel under a microscope. You can see the top of the bevel there, the apex, and you see the grit pattern, what I was using as an abrasive to sharpen it with. The scratches are running at an angle, which is what I like. They can run straight up and down like a factory edge, but it's better if they run at an angle because that's the direction you cut. So, you know, it just makes sense. Now, you can see how it's very consistent from the top all the way down to the apex, which is making a nice sharp edge that has little tiny teeth, which is what creates the bite so when you start cutting, that's what initiates the cut before the geometry of the blade takes over.